Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize AI tools with Cisco Systems easy tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize AI tools using Cisco Systems, begin by identifying the specific AI tools you intend to use. Visit the Cisco website to explore the range of AI solutions available. Choose a tool that aligns with your business needs, whether it's for security, networking, or data analytics. Once you've selected a tool, create a Cisco account if you don't already have one. Log into your Cisco account to access the resources and documentation related to your chosen AI tool. Download the necessary software or APIs required for installation. Follow the installation prompts carefully to ensure the tool is set up correctly on your system. After installation, navigate to the configuration settings of the AI tool. Customize the settings according to your organizational requirements. Incorporate relevant data inputs that the AI tool will analyze. Regularly update your data sources to ensure the AI tool remains effective. Utilize Cisco's training resources, such as tutorials and webinars, to better understand the tool's features. Monitor the AI tool's performance and make adjustments as needed. Engage with user forums or support communities for further assistance and best practices. Evaluate the outcomes generated by the AI tool to measure its effectiveness. Continuously refine and optimize your approach based on gathered insights and feedback. By following these steps, you can effectively integrate and optimize AI tools with Cisco Systems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.